Hello everyone, this is Ahmad Makhlouf. Let's continue talking about this Microsoft Excel series. Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to the third lesson in this series. Today we will talk about how you can both edit and overwrite cells in Excel. All the time you will need to type values in Excel cells. You may need to edit or overwrite them. Let's see how. To overwrite a cell, this is very easy task. Just click on the cell and start typing. For example, if you want to overwrite this month and change how it is written, just click on it and start writing January. So this is how you overwrite. By clicking enter, you finished the process of overwriting, and automatically the selection or the focus will go to the cell below the cell where you did the overwriting. What about editing? To edit a cell, you don't have to only select the cell. You have to double click on the cell until you see the cursor blinking like this. At the same time, all the options in the ribbon will be grayed out. So it means they are disabled. You cannot use any of the options in the ribbon until you finish the editing. How do you finish the editing? By clicking the enter. So you click the enter and the focus will go to the cell below as well. Well, this concludes this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye for now.